It's like butter, yes. But it's cheese.
Yes.
It's cheese water.
You
want to taste? Or you still taste inside your bread. You don't want to. Yeah.
I'll show you how you're falling for me. I'll treat you like I never did. For some reason, hold on. It's so hard to know. So why you say?
Good morning, fam.
Good morning.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing? So it's a Saturday.
It's Saturday.
Yeah. So it's a Saturday, and I want to make breakfast for her first, and make breakfast for myself. I have Saturday routine which I'll be taking you guys along. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Yesterday I did shawarma for the family. I did shawarma for the family and hope they really enjoyed it. Same recipe with the last one. So I want to make breakfast first. Stop that.
Yeah.
Then after breakfast, I will start up my whole day because there's a lot. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this our weekend vlog.
I love bread.
No, you have to eat bread. If you want me to put all those things inside for you, bread has to be inside.
Okay.
Wait, give me the other cheese first. This one. No, this one. Give me one.
This one. See, I have butter.
It's like butter, yes.
Yeah.
But it's cheese.
Yes.
It's cheese butter.
You
You want to taste? Or you still taste it inside your bread. You know what? Yeah. Take. It's nice.
Yes.
You like it? Okay. I will. Are you spitting it out now?
Something was inside.
Something was inside. Give me and down. I have to skip for Papa.
But wait, I can stay. Do like this.
Use the rope. Let me show you. Hold this, please. Draw it. You will sleep here today.
In the same house.
We are going there to go and play. I mean, this thing I'm doing. We are going to sleep here. Lead me on. Me, yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah. You're eating it inside your bread now. Okay. We're almost there. The last one. Give me your hand. Something that in a bread again. Eh? Huh? Child. Okay. Let me just use close eye and do breakfast too for your father immediately as I am standing here. No, leave that one, it's for Papa. Leave it. Go and bring pickles.
Oh, they're not big.
Check the rare fridge.
This one.
No, the big fridge.
That one.
Yes.
I'll send it. Because
Careful, oh.
safe.
Thank you.
My pickles.
Hmm?
All pickles. Mommy pickles.
This fridge, that big fridge stuff is not cooling this thing. Remove your hand from there. Munachi.
All pickles.
Don't worry, I will give you. Take. Something I'm putting inside your salad, this thing you're going to eat. You want to test it first. Quick! Let's see. We are building a house. How many minutes is this thing? 4 minutes. 4 minutes I use cook to do this thing. Eh? God have mercy. Mia, you know you're going to still eat this thing inside your breakfast, right? You see that inside your breakfast, you're going to chop it. It's finished. Close your breakfast. So your bread. Can't be your plate.
A plate, huh?
Can't be your plate. Munachi, bring your plate. Let me put your food for you. I have things to do. I am very busy this month. This is how it looks like.
Where's my?
Finish your food.
When we made eyes for the first time, I'll do anything. It's ticking, but I still can't love you right. Though we can do whatever tonight. Oh, take my baby, you can take my time. To dance, show me how you do it right. Yeah, but it still sounds like I'll show you how you fall.
Guys, I am done arranging. Now it's time to put it where it's supposed to be. I am done arranging. I am done folding the clothes. It's time to put them inside the wardrobe or inside the drawer. Oh god, I'm tired. Motherhood, what's the time? It's almost 1, so I need to go and have my lunch. Madam went for a play date, so we are supposed to go to the pool today with my sister, but Madam had a play date today, so we had to cancel the pool side. And again, the weather is not giving. The weather is just dull, so there's no need of going to the pool when the weather is dull because the water will be cold, so that will be waste of penyanze. Penyanze is money. But anyway, this is what I am doing for Saturday. Oh, I am tired. Alright guys, I'm going to be showing you guys my lunch. A video of what I eat in 3 days is going to come up. Yeah, I think I need to do what I eat in 3 days. It's going to come up. So a more detailed of what I eat in 3 days to maintain my weight. I'll put it up in the channel. You can do what to check it out. But I think it will come out either before this one or after this one. Any of this ones, but this is a weekend vlog. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I don't have much activities going on in my life, so bear with me. I'm not this I'm an introvert. Yeah, introvert is people that stays inside, right? While extrovert is people that go outside, right? Let me know in the comment section the difference between the two. So I'm a homebody person. Like, it takes a lot of energy or push to push me and go out to go out. But anyway, this is what I'll be doing today, and tomorrow is Sunday. I don't know what we'll be doing tomorrow, but anything that comes up, if it's fun, I'm going to take you guys along. If it's not fun, maybe it will be prepping things for madam's school on Monday. That should be what I'll be doing. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys either tomorrow or this might be the end of today's vlog, but please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Yeah.
It's so hard to know. So why you say too fast, baby, I'm going too fast. 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 Yeah.
I'm gonna be trying this first time. Oh, hey, wait, yo. This one photo. Did you pee? You are tired. You'll soon sleep. This is nice. My baby is tired. She just came back from a play date. She's very tired. Are you tired? See your eyes.
motivated.